Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to save and export files in Audacity. Let's get right into it. First, let's clarify the difference between saving and exporting in Audacity. When you save your project, you're creating a file that can only be opened with Audacity. This is perfect if you plan to continue your editing later. To save, simply go to File, then Save Project. Give your project a name, hit Save, and you're good to go for future editing sessions. Now let's talk about exporting. If you want to share your audio or listen to it outside of Audacity, you need to export it. Here's how to export your project as an MP3 file. First, go to File, then select Export Audio. A window will open up. Choose Export to your computer. A new window will pop up asking you to choose a location and name for your file. Select where you want to save it, give it a name, and click Save. Next, you'll see the Edit Metadata Tags window. Here, you can add information like the title, artist, album, and genre. This step is optional, but it's useful for organizing your audio files. When you're done, click OK and proceed to click Export. If you encounter any issues exporting to MP3, Audacity might ask you to locate the lame encoder. If this happens, follow the prompts to download and install the encoder. This is a one-time setup. For maximum audio quality, you can also consider exporting in WAV format. To do this, go to File, then Export, and choose Export as WAV. This format ensures top-notch audio quality for your project. And there you have it. A quick guide on how to save and export files in Audacity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Audacity tips. Thanks for watching.